Lately I've been wondering how I keep my head up, how I can keep a smile when I really know I'm fed up. Chasing at the dreams while I'm trying to get my cash up. Took so many L's, made me wanna go and mask up. At times shit is good, in the flash shit get bad. Cause you got a bag, mommy, that don't make you bad. Every time I pop a perk, seem like it really ain't that bad. Cause I hate how I react every time they make me mad. Can't focus on the past, was in love with my bitch. She was solid, but she hurt me, couldn't trust her ass for shit. Going crazy over shit, felt like she played me. I was holding her down, I was running for my bitches, they was running they mouth. You can't live in my city with no gun in your house. I can't hang around lil' homie, he was pointing them out. I be praying that I win, cause I know it's people doubting me. We gon' get it in, and I know that with no doubt in me. Life ain't picture perfect, and I understand my